What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on an FX slide and guide kit on this 250XC. Developed for hard enduro, SX, MX, and off-road, suitable for all types of riding. The front slider was designed with additional material to increase performance and durability. Our inner chain guidance control wing keeps the chain in alignment and reduces tire buzz. Our sound dampening pads cushion the slider to help reduce chain slap noise. The factory edition FX rear chain guide features a streamlined profile with increased coverage of swing arm mounting tabs, a large chamfered outside leading and bottom edge for maximum rock deflection, and our redesigned wear pad mounting bolts with deeper recess to reduce snagging and provide more clamping strength. Our industry-leading plastic formula return memory system absorbs impact and returns to center. Friction-reducing additives and UV protection are used to eliminate color fade, and it includes new mounting hardware, used by championship-winning race teams worldwide. Now this bike is protected and ready for battle. Check out our website and social media platforms to stay up to date. See you out on the trail.